bought the wrong stuff.
What color is this?
Blue.
What color is that?
Purple. Is there a difference?
Yeah. What's this say?
Primer.
What's that say?
Shower pan liner adhesive. Why didn't you read it?
To my eyes, this looks exactly the same. No difference.
Again, why didn't you read it?
I've never seen another one of the same color. want to wash your hands off?
No.
You don't want to wash your hands off? You want to keep them sandy? Yeah.
Sorry. Yep. Otherwise, hands, white hands. Otherwise, hands.
Go, Daddy, go. St. Joseph prayed for us.
Daddy,
St.
go.
Francis prayed for us.
Daddy, go. Daddy, go. Daddy, go. Daddy, go. Daddy, go. Daddy, go.
Ready? One, two, three. I caught this one. Keep going, keep going.
Nope. Watch Daddy work. Okay, so this is where I'm going to tie in, I guess, the pressure valve and where we're going to fill it with air. This is just a check valve, or a clean out, rather. So, yeah, let's screw it in. Alright, so now we got air. Alright, so I'm just going to feed air into it until it comes up to pressure. Well, nothing's blown yet. Oh, something blew. Going back down. You can turn it off. Okay, so that tells me there's a leak somewhere.
Take 3.
Yeah, take 3. It sounded like a pretty big leak, so hopefully it'll fill up faster too. Alright, so I just read up on the Kentucky code, and apparently I have to hold it steady for 15 minutes after it levels off. And it sank a little bit in that time that I was doing that research, but it seems to be leveling off right there. So I'm going to fill it up to 5 again. This 5 psi is what it has to hold for 15 minutes. So let's see if we can find a leak, because it looks like it keeps going down. All right, let's give it a go. All right, fingers crossed again. I don't know what take this is, but it's at least 5. So let's try it again. Okay, so this is probably take 10, who knows. I replaced that cap, and let's give it another go.